Hello and welcome to Xanthus Institute's YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we will see how to wrap text in Excel. This function will help you keep even longer text within the boundaries of one cell, which will make it visible and readable for other users too. Here you can see in the example, the text in this cell is overlapping the other cell. If you include a link in its neighbor cell, the other users will be able to read only the first words of the description. In this case, the function wrap text is the solution. To start with, you need to select the cell where you need to wrap the text by clicking it. Then go to the Home tab, find the group cells, Format Cells. Here you'll be able to see the Format Cells window. Under Alignment option, Text Control, click on the option Wrap Text and say OK. The text will be immediately wrapped within the text, and now the wrapped text can also be aligned to the center, right, left, depends on what you need. Now we will see how to present your text in different angles. For that, you need to select the cells. Under Home tab, find the group cells, Format Cells. You will be able to see the Format Cells window open. At the right hand side, under Alignment option, you will be able to see Orientation option available. You can change the angle from here and click on OK. The text will get changed to the angle you need. Now we will see how to merge cells in Excel. Go to the Home tab. Under Alignment section, you will be able to see 4 options available. I am gonna explain each option in specific example. First, select the cell you wanna merge. Use the first option, Merge and Center. All the cells will be joined in one and the heading will appear in the middle. If you want to merge cells horizontally, select the cells in which you want to apply the formatting and click on Merge Across. Now, if you want to unmerge the merged cell, select the area and click on Unmerge Cell. Each cell will get separated. If you want to merge, let's say these cells each containing information about the merge. So select the cells and click on Merge Cell option. Excel will display a warning message that the cells will be merged, but only the title in the top left corner will show in the merge area. The content of the rest of the cells will be deleted.